Same menu.
Yeah, I know it. I was thinking about sitting there.
You don't have to. You don't have to. Get rid of you.
You are great. Panning the crowd. Good.
Is that on video now?
Yes.
Maureen.
Oh, okay. Wave. Here we go. Let's do it together. Yeah. Okay. Got it. Okay.
I see it.
Okay.
There's Mary Jo. Yes. Quiet. You should be quiet. Number one, why are we all here?
Groundhog Day.
32nd annual. What is the official sign of the groundhog? Now we have some new people here today. The youngest being Francis.
Yeah.
Raise your hand if you've never been to Groundhog Day. Raise your hand. Hands up. Hands up. Okay, now what we need to do is practice the dance. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. The ground dog jumps out of his hole and he looks around and he turns around and she doesn't see her shadow and she jumps back in. Good.
Got it. Even your free or shadow today.
Okay, now first of all, on the serious side, we are missing two people from last year. Marlene Link and Charlie.
Yes.
Do we remember them?
Yep.
We also are thinking of all these cars. A lot of cars down there because some of our neighbors have lost fathers in an accident. Two families of Burmese.
Oh.
On the lighter side, we have 32 years. We have 3 perfect attendants. Wow. We have Peter Perry.
Yay!
And Rose. Marie. Yay! Marianne.
Yay! And you? What?
You know, I went to Africa in the first year.
You're excused.
I did. We had a dog and everything. We did the dance. Right along. Okay, now, 32 years and 3 perfect attendants and 3 dogs. So I'd like to announce the dogs. Number 1 would be Bartholomew, the first one.
Oh. Bart, yeah. Yeah.
Our second ground dog was Tony. Oh. And the third ground dog, the present ground dog, is Ginger.
Ginger, yay!
Okay, so now we are about ready to do the official ground dog. Great. Are we ready? Yes. The ground dog jumps out of his hole and he looks around and he turns around and he doesn't see his shadow and he jumps back in. Go on out and show him your stuff.
He's come a long way since his first one, where he was leaving around the house. Oh God, he was like the top of the hole. He knows we're clapping for him.
We have always, for 31 years, he had breakfast afterwards. But I'm sorry to tell you, we're still going to do it.
We're all good. Oh my God.
Okay, so everybody go in, enjoy. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. And thank you. No, because I was just going, okay. Well, she was getting her. No, stuff it didn't help. She tried to see what was that?
Well, she said she's going to physical therapy. I talked to her the other day, and she said it's that. But she said it's very nice. Your first round dog day.
My first.
All right.
First annual.
That's crazy. I don't know how it ever got started. It's good to see. So we just had Barbara Cottage good up there. I hope you're meeting.
Oh, the next one on
For the
it's my last one. I've done it like 5 times, so I feel ready. And hopefully it will give some fruit.
You know, my folks were in that period, so
Okay.
I actually sat in the city with my dad's mass every day. Whenever it was. I can't remember. You know, they were in the gym when they did.
This particular program, of getting this particular program. That's what I mean. Yeah, I'm not, as far as I know, I'm not.
Still is. Okay, yeah, I'll check with you. And my sister's here. She knows us. The photographer, the videographer knows me.
Today.
Anyway, appreciate it, Peggy, big time.
They were